Hi everyone. Welcome to another episode of Travel Diaries. Today's video is a special one. It's the travel experience of Msheirib Tram. Msheirib Tram connects all Downtown Doha, the world's smartest and most sustainable city district. The tram covers a distance of 2.12 kilometers in 80 minutes with 9 stations at different places. There is no charge for this service. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. We started from station number 7, Sahet El Masjid station. The waiting benches here are placed in the bushes, making it more beautiful. Every station has an information unit that shows the number and name of the station, along with a display that shows a detailed map of the Msheirib downtown and other details. And here comes the beautiful tram. Wow! It has a face mask on it. Now we are gonna get inside the tram and see how it looks like. Before entering the tram, there is a security check on the Ihtiras app status. There is an announcement about the next station both in Arabic and English as the tram starts to move. Now we have reached Al Kahraba station. Wow! Look at those beautiful hanging lights. Interior of the tram is really clean and looks brand new. Instructions for the passengers are sticked on the tram. This is how it looks like from the front side of the tram. This is the station number 2, Wadi Msheirib station. It is really beautiful to experience the tram sliding between the buildings. Now we have arrived at the next station, the Galleria. Here is another station called Msheirib Tram Station. This is station number 5 called Heritage Qatar Station. Msheirib properties have maintained the site so nice and beautiful. We have reached another station called Al Baraha Station. And at last, we have reached the station from where we started. It was really a nice experience. Everyone should try it at least one time. Thanks for watching.